Hi guys, welcome to the Gravity Performance Workshop. Today we're going to take a more in-depth look into our R53 Mini 2.5-inch catback system, which is one of the best sellers on our website. These are a great addition if you're looking for a little bit more performance and a little bit more sound out of the car. Let's have a look in the box and see what we've got. Everything's carefully packaged using a foam insert to prevent any damages during shipping, and adding that little bit extra because first impressions always count. So here we have it all laid out in front of you. The first thing we're going to take a look at are our 2.5-inch stainless steel midsection. Solid built, some really nice welds and a smooth mirror finish. We chose to keep the central resonator just to avoid any motorway drone and to keep the tones nice. The rear section is going to follow down the Y pipe, split off into 2-inch for the back boxes with polished exhaust tips. The kit is going to come with all the clamps, bolts and gaskets needed to make the installation as smooth as possible. Being a stainless steel system, it has great resistance to corrosion and brilliant durability. The welds are strong and it has that really high quality feel about it. The system offers a deeper, sportier tone with the potential for more power due to the increased exhaust flow. You've also got the aesthetic look of the chrome polished exhaust tips, which are going to make the car look a little bit more aggressive. Let's get it fitted and see what it's like. Right guys, so we've finished the install, and as you can see, it's a night and day difference to what we had before. I suppose all that's left to do now is get it back on the ground and see what it sounds like.